bad. Braylee's just telling me that I suck because I'm never hungry.
She's making my life horrible.
She's like, what? You're the person that I eat all the yummy food with. And normally, yes, I am.
I was so excited to get home and eat with you.
Oh, there's just so many people. Why are we shopping today? I don't know. We're shopping today. Anyways, now that I'm so large, I have no room. My belly, my stomach is completely squashed.
That trick was probably just so annoyed at me.
It's okay. So when I eat, I just get sick. And I can't eat very much, so I am kind of a bummer. It is a bummer. Like, this should be the time that I get to just eat all of the things, but instead.
If you had to eat right now, what would you eat? If you were forced.
I don't know. Jamba Juice?
Ew.
Olive Garden.
I drank so many freaking smoothies in Costa Rica.
Yeah.
Panera?
We can go
Costa
somewhere.
Rica?
We can go wherever you want. I'll find something small.
That's so boring.
So, whatever.
No, Olive Garden, it has to be everybody's feasting, or it's just something.
I feel like if we go somewhere big, then I would feel bad not having everyone with us. It's just the girls today, doing a little shopping, nothing big. We went to Ulta, which was this one's dream, until it was her nightmare when she couldn't get anything. Huh. Because it's Christmas.
It's so weird, but like being in America hurts my brain. Like everybody.
There's so much going on.
In the Costa Rica, you don't understand anybody, so you can just tone out everything. But now that everybody speaks English around me, that's all I can focus on.
No, you can still do that. That's a great skill to have. I do that. I don't notice anyone around me.
I used to also, but now it's like, oh, people are speaking in English.
I put on the best perfume. It's Prada. It smells so good.
Prada?
It's a very strong though. Like very, very strong. You would need one spray. That's it. Anyway, we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby, get some wrapping paper and some bags. Maybe eat somewhere.
Yes.
Oh, we could go get bagels. Did you go? No. Did you go to Fifth Street yet? Okay, do you want to do that? Does that sound good?
Sound good to you?
Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, let's do that.
Are they open still?
Hobby Lobby?
No, bagels.
Oh, yeah. What do you mean?
They close early. I don't even know what freaking time it is. I woke up so late.
It's only 3:47.
That was like 7.
Just wait. It gets so dark. I'm always like, is everyone ready for bed? And it's like 6 o'clock.
It used to get dark at like 4 in Costa Rica.
Do you feel like you're adjusting to being home?
No, I feel like I sleep for so freaking long.
I also think traveling, when you have like a big travel day, it just is so weird, like to adjust.
And it's like hanging out with people drains me now because I haven't for so long.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Like...
Someone asked, why is your bed on the floor? I thought it would be fun to go through comments and answer some. That's one that I saw that I wanted to reply to, but it was because Braylee wanted her bed on the floor.
It makes me look like I can't afford a bed, but I just like it on the floor.
I was like, I can
get fancy.
It's not fancy. It's the opposite of fancy. I told her, like, let's get you just like a little like platform or something, and she's like, no, I just want my bed on the floor. I was like, okay.
To be honest, when I pictured it in my brain, it looked a lot cooler. But
did it seem more like beanbag feel? Like, yeah.
Well, also I need to finish my room. My room's just like half my wall's painted. Well, not even half. There's just a giant splotch of green in my wall.
Someone else said that too.
2 things hung
I
up
hope
on my
that
wall.
you like got her room fancied up or something for her. I would have, but she came home early. That was what I was planning on doing that day. So we're gonna be doing that together. Getting things put together. Okay, you guys ready? Oh my gosh. I am feeling extra large today.
Extra boring.
Like, just like, we can do this, you can do this, it's fine. I just have, like, some days I just feel extra big, and today is that one of those days. Was it shocking when you saw me?
Yeah. It felt so weird hugging me. I was like...
Okay, let's go. Look at Braylee. Is that everything? Do you have everything wrapped?
I'll show you.
Okay.
Those are a bunch of my other presents.
Oh my gosh, you're so organized.
And then I put 3 under the tree already. I just need to finish the only list.
Braylee said she went through her closet and got rid of a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, like her gonna presents.
Great job. It does look really good. Wow.
I don't look at my other closet right now.
Really? Nice dress. See right here? This is actually where you could hang your long dresses. That's what that's for.
I don't have long dresses, I only have short
Your
little
prom
ones.
dresses that are hanging out in the, out by my office.
I'm never gonna wear those again.
This is what we were talking about when Braylee said half of her room is painted.
That's only like a
This. Okay, another question we got is, where is this picture board from? I saw this in the comments. Braylee and I made this. I'll link it down below. It's so cute and so fun. Really easy to change the pictures out, and I just love how it looks. There's a lot of different things you could do with it. You could do like one big photo or a lot of different pictures like Braylee did. Another question that I've seen a lot is, did you serve a mission or did you do like a church service project or something like that? What exactly did you do?
It's just a humanitarian trip, so it doesn't have anything to do with the church. It's just a volunteering.
What is it called?
I don't know. ILP.
And we do plan on doing like a whole podcast episode about it. So she can tell you some pros and cons, some things to watch for.
Stay tuned for the podcast on why you shouldn't do it.
I think that your experience was maybe different than others. I don't know. We'll talk more about it. Braylee loved the kids. It was different than she was expecting, I think, right?
Yeah, in a lot of ways, but
yeah, we'll talk more about that.
I'll get into it.
Have you seen any other questions that you want to answer?
I just had a lot of questions about what my program is and if I'd recommend it, but we'll talk more about that.
All right. Do you have plans for now? Like, do you have any plans for what you're gonna do now?
Yeah. I'm gonna live here forever.
Okay.
I've done my one thing for the rest of my life.
Okay.
I was just talking to Shay that I wish that you could just do one thing and then just be done.
And that would just count?
Like, can I just retire now? We're still figuring out. I'm trying out for cheer in March, and I think I'm gonna go to nursing if I get accepted or if I make the cheer team. But if not, I think that I'll just go to estheticians and then do nursing later.
Okay. Yeah, she has a lot
or
of different
I might
options.
be a psychiatric nurse.
That would be cool.
Yeah.
Amazing. Also, okay with you just staying here forever. Braylee wanted to move for a while, and I was like, Braylee, we're having a baby. You can't move.
Nope. I'm here forever.
Yeah.
Except she won't buy me a bed frame.
Yes, I would buy her a bed frame if she wanted one.
I got all my clothes out of stuff into here.
Did you go through these?
Yeah.
I feel like it's the shoes. I know you don't wear all of those shoes.
I know, but I really like them.
You should sell them.
Look at how cute these are.
I just saw your video when you did like your Vans haul. They are so cute.
This is the best thing I got in Costa Rica.
Did you get this there too?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
And I got...
You made your bed so nice, and now look at it.
Oh, it's right here.
Cute.
If you can't tell what my favorite animal is, it's a pig. It's a lion.
I love sending Braylee so many videos on Instagram with pigs. Also, Costa Rican candy.
I was folding laundry.
I haven't tried any yet because I haven't felt good.
Don't worry. Everybody has half their present is Costa Rican candy.
Great. I love it. Good idea.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just checking in one more time today. See how it's going, how you're adjusting. Are you happy to be back?
Yes.
Do you miss being there at all?
I miss like the girls I lived with, and I miss the warm weather, and I miss the kids.
Yeah.
But I don't miss living there.
But you're happy to be home?
Yes.
Nice.
I get to drive, I get to hang out with whoever I want.
Do you get to drive terribly?
No.
Just kind of. Okay.
Well, this perfume I got in Costa Rica.
You got perfume? Oh my gosh. I told Braylee I was gonna get sick if we ate lunch. We ate lunch and I've been sick for 2 hours.
I don't know if you like this actually.
That smells so good.
It's my favorite perfume.
I'm surprised
It's from
that you like that.
Mm.
Braylee's like a sweet perfume girl.
Yeah, like candy.
Yeah.
Not like baked goods.
Yeah.
But this smells like
Smells like,
an old woman.
not really, not super. Okay, I'll stop bothering you. Huh?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry now? I just asked you if you wanted anything to eat.
Yeah, but I thought maybe you were gonna do something.
Okay, well, think about if you want something.
Olive oil?
Oh no, I don't. What? Mm-mm. Casey and I just put together another giving tree for Hush that they're giving away. I love giving trees. They're so fun. If you don't know what that is, it's an artificial tree that you can buy pretty much anywhere. You can get them on Amazon. I've got some from Hobby Lobby. Put some lights on there. And then the ornaments are gift cards and different things for families who need a little pick-me-up or just someone that you think of that might need a little extra this holiday season. Casey's are always the best.
Is oblong the word?
Oblong.
Oblong.
I think it is.
Oblong is a word.
No, it's called.
It's like a long circle,
It's got like a.
right?
But is oblong the word?
Is oblong?
What did you say?
Oblong.
Mom, is
like, it
oblong
seems
a word?
oblong.
No, oblong.
Is oblong a
What do you
word?
think that word means?
Like not a perfect circle, like it's
Oblong.
kind of weighted to one side.
I don't know. I don't think so.